My name is Soumya Karan and I am an intern student for Data Science Internship at Avishkar Tech Solutions Private Limited. As a part of this data science internship, I learned how to work for machine learning model end-to-end deployment. This is a Python code that has been developed for heart disease analysis. The project has been coded using sklearn libraries and has been deployed using Django. The front end of the form looks like this. This is the form which upon filling predicts whether a person is heart patient or not. Initially, I have imported libraries and dataset. There are several attributes for determining heart disease, and the last column target tells us whether the person is heart patient or not. 1 indicates yes and 0 indicates no. From now on, I tried to explore the data. I checked my dataset for any kind of null values and I found none. This is a part of pre-processing the dataset. Then the next step is univariate analysis or data visualization that gives us information that how the probability of a person being heart patient varies with different features. Like here, it shows the relationship in between age and whether the person is heart patient or not. Likewise, there are many plots in which we can see the interdependencies of different attributes. Then moving on, we get various attributes and then we try to check the skewness of the data. For an effective model training, we need that data is normally distributed and not skewed. So I tried to rectify this. Upon doing it, I found out that in old peak there were some infinity values, which is not perfect for model training. So I removed those data and dropped it. Now we check for correlation using heat map here, and we don't find any correlated features. Then we tried to split the data into X and Y, that is train and test. We use different training model techniques such as logistic regression and KNN. Then I tried to evaluate precision score, recall score and F1 score. Out of all these, I found out that the logistic regression has the best accuracy and it is the best suitable choice for model training. Next is the formation of confusion matrix. Here the 16 results out of total are incorrect. Then I tried to prepare the pickle file and it is used for model deployment using Django. Then moving on to Visual Studio Code, an HTML file is created with CSS. Pickle file is also placed here. As you can see, this is the pickle file. Finally, we have the web page that is here and I am putting some of the random data in it. For example, in age I can put 70, then gender is male, then chest pain experienced is typical angina, then resting blood pressure is 160, then cholesterol is 269, then fasting blood sugar is not there, then this is normal. So we have to fill down the form and then I try to submit the form. Upon submitting, it gives the result that heart disease predicted is not there. The person has a healthy heart. I thank the trainer Nishal sir, mentors Prachi and Sushma ma'am for all the efforts they made to make us learn this machine learning model end-to-end deployment. I also thank Sunil sir and the management for motivating me throughout to stay focused and complete the assignment. I highly recommend this advanced data science internship at Avishkar Tech Solutions to anyone who wishes to learn data science.